Section 3, Getting Ed with AWS. 8. AWS Cloud Overview Regions and AZ. 9. Tour of the AWS console and services in AWS. 10. About the UI changes in the course. Section 4, IAM and AWS CLI. 11. IAM Introduction, Users, Groups, Policies. 12. IAM Users and Groups Hands-on. 13. IAM Policies. 14. IAM Policies Hands-on. 15. IAM MFA Overview. 16. IAM MFA Hands-on. 17. AWS Access Keys, CLI and SDK. 18. AWS CLI Setup on Windows. 19. AWS CLI Setup on Mac OS X. 20. AWS CLI Setup on Linux. 21. AWS CLI Hands-on. 22. AWS Cloud Shell, Region Availability. 23. AWS Cloud Shell. 24. IAM Roles for AWS Services. 25. IAM Roles Hands-on. 26. IAM Security Tools. 27. IAM Security Tools Hands-on. 28. IAM Best Practices. 29. IAM Summary. Quiz 1, IAM and AWS CLI Quiz. Section 5, EC2 Fundamentals. 30. AWS Budget Setup. 31. EC2 Basics. 32. Create an EC2 instance with EC2 user data to have a website hands-on. 33. EC2 Instance Types Basics. 34. Security Groups and Classic Ports Overview. 35. Security Groups Hands-on. 36. SSH Overview. 37. How to SSH using Linux or Mac. 38. How to SSH using Windows. 39. How to SSH using Windows 10. 40. SSH Troubleshooting. 41. EC2 Instance Connect. 42. EC2 Instance Roles Demo. 43. EC2 Instance Purchasing Options. 44. Spot Instances and Spot Fleet. 45. EC2 Instances Launch Types Hands-on. Quiz 2, EC2 Fundamentals Quiz. Section 6, EC2 Solutions Architect Associate Level. 46. Private versus Public versus Elastic IP. 47. Private versus Public versus Elastic IP Hands-on. 48. EC2 Placement Groups. 49. EC2 Placement Groups Hands-on. 50. Elastic Network Interfaces, ENI, Overview. 51. Elastic Network Interfaces, ENI, Hands-on. 52. ENI Extra Reading. 53. EC2 Hibernate. 54. EC2 Hibernate Hands-on. Quiz 3, EC2 SAA Level Quiz. Section 7, EC2 Instance Storage. 55. EBS Overview. 56. EBS Hands-on. 57. EBS Snapshots. 58. EBS Snapshots Hands-on. 59. AMI Overview. 60. AMI Hands-on. 61. EC2 Instance Store. 62. EBS Volume Types. 63. EBS Multi-Attach. 64. EBS Encryption. 65. Amazon EFS. 66. Amazon EFS Hands-on. 67. EFS versus EBS. 68. EBS and EFS Section Cleanup. Quiz 4, EC2 Data Management Quiz. Section 8, High Availability and Scalability, ELB and ASG. 69. High Availability and Scalability. 70. Elastic Load Balancing, ELB, Overview. 71. Note, about the Classic Load Balancer, CLB. 72. Application Load Balancer, ALB. 73. Application Load Balancer, ALB, Hands-on, Part 1. 74. Application Load Balancer, ALB, Hands-on, Part 2. 75. Network Load Balancer, NLB. 76, Network Load Balancer, NLB, hands-on. 77, Gateway Load Balancer, GWLB. 78, Elastic Load Balancer, Sticky Sessions. 79, Elastic Load Balancer, Cross-Zone Load Balancing. 80, Elastic Load Balancer, SSL Certificates. 81, Elastic Load Balancer, SSL Certificates, hands-on. 82, Elastic Load Balancer, Connection Draining. 83, Auto Scaling Groups, ASG, Overview. 84, Auto Scaling Groups hands-on. 85, Auto Scaling Groups Scaling Policies. 86, Auto Scaling Groups Scaling Policies hands-on. Quiz 5, High Availability and Scalability Quiz. Section 9, AWS Fundamentals, RDS plus Aurora plus Elasticache. 87, Amazon RDS Overview. 88, RDS Read Replicas versus Multi-AZ. 89, Amazon RDS Hands-On. 90, RDS Custom for Oracle and Microsoft SQL Server. 91, Amazon Aurora. 92, Amazon Aurora Hands-On. 93, Amazon Aurora Advanced Concepts. 94, RDS and Aurora Backup and Monitoring. 95, RDS Security. 96, RDS Proxy. 97, Elasticache Overview. 98, Elasticache Hands-On. 99, Elasticache for Solution Architects. 100, List of ports to be familiar with. Quiz 6, RDS, Aurora, and Elasticache Quiz. Section 10, Route 53. 101, What is a DNS? 102, Route 53 Overview. 103, Route 53 Registering a Domain. 104, Route 53 Creating Our First Records. 105, Route 53 EC2 Setup. 106, Route 53 TTL. 107, Route 53 Name versus Alias. 108, Routing Policy Simple. 109, Routing Policy Weighted. 110, Routing Policy Latency. 111, Route 53 Health Checks. 112, Route 53 Health Checks Hands-On. 113, Routing Policy Failover. 114, Routing Policy Geolocation. 115, Routing Policy Geoproximity. 116, Routing Policy IP-based. 117, Routing Policy Multi-value. 118, Third-party domains and Route 53. 119, Route 53 Section Cleanup. Quiz 7, Route 53 Quiz.